Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw the nose. Start off by drawing cartoon noses. So yn y fideo yma, mae'n mynd i edrych ar sut I arlunio y trwyn. Awn ni dechrau hefo arlunio trwnau cartŵn. Okay, then we're going to move on to drawing a manga style nose. So then mae'n mynd I symud ymlaen I ffordd o arlunio trwyn manga. The manga nose is very much cartoony as well. Okay, and then we're going to move on to more realistic noses. So wedyn ar ôl hwnna, mae'n mynd I symud ymlaen I arlunio trwnau mwy realistic. So with cartoon noses, they're basically a triangle, really, initially, especially from side on angle. Noses are much easier to draw side on because they are just a triangle. So mae trwnau lot mwy haws I arlunio ar ochr na edrych ar ôl yn y front. Okay, once you've got your triangle drawn out, you can start working into it. So you could draw a triangle very light initially, and then you could start making it a more defined shape over the triangle. Pawb efo trwnau siâp wahanol, rei efo rei crooked, rei efo rei bach, rei efo rei mawr. To draw a nose straight on, like this example here, the best way to do it is by just drawing the kind of nostril whole line, really, in the front of the nose. So you've got a curve going, starting with it at the top, then it goes down, it goes round and up, and then start putting the nostril flares on either side. If you want to put a line on the side here to kind of illustrate where the light's hitting it, so the light would be hitting it from that side, you can make a slight shadow on that side. Okay, basically that's it really. You know, you could add warts on it, you could make it more sharp. Just practice really. Okay, so manga noses are really straightforward. They're just gestures really of lines like I've just shown you previously. Straight on, you've basically just got, generally you've just got nostrils like that. Okay, you might have the side like that. Every now and again you might have a bit of shadow. The side profile is very defined, so it's almost like a continuous line. And you've got your nostril. Gyda adio lliw with colour, fel arfer mae'n just flat, a weithiau ti'n cael dipyn bach o gwyn yn fo neu tôn mwy gola. So it's just lliwio hwnna mewn. Okay, so you might have a lighter tone on there. Then go over your graphic lines again. Okay, basically that's it with manga. Okay, with the more realistic nose, efo trwyn mwy realistic, mae'n really pwysig I just cael y siâp yn cywir yn gyntaf. Okay, so it's really important initially just to get the shape right at the start. So, you know, like the cartoon nose, you might draw a cartoon nose first of all, actually, but like the cartoon nose, you might just draw like a triangle type shape. And then you might work into it. So that would have been that starting off. Some people start off like with a circle and then have 2 lines going down. And then start building on those shapes by adding more shapes on top of it. Like that. So then it's kind of built into it, really. The nose straight on is the trickiest one, I think. A lot of people have problems with. Some of you might not, but generally a lot of people do. So what some people do when they start off drawing a nose straight on is draw a circle like so, then draw another circle along the side of it, and another circle along the other side. So they're the kind of nostril openings. And then you basically build on that. You could also draw the bridge of the nose in as well. So it's kind of almost like a... So it's basically 1 circle in the middle, one big circle, and 2 small circles on the side. So treacle, add in triangle to form. Okay, so once you've got that, then you can start building into it by adding more detail. And use your rubber to draw them. Okay, so then the rest of this is really just tone. So your light, if it's face on, will be just there. So the rest of it will be tonal work. If you've got a range of pencils, this is the time to kind of use your pencil range. So good idea to start off with a very light pencil like a H. When you're shading, go in the direction of the nose as well. So in the direction of the shape. So I've moved on to a darker pencil now. It's actually a 9B. It should be around the eye socket. It's all about the lighting this. Even down the collar. Smelam faintyn gwasgu ar the pencil. Okay, rubbing out to with. Just trying to blend some of those shaded lines in a bit more. So use your pencil and your rubber. You see the shadow of the nose now. Okay, get some darkest pencil. Some more silk. Okay, and with all the lines that I've got here, I can use a burnishing tool or smudge it to make it look a bit more like skin texture. Okay, so when you're burnishing, it's kind of direction of your nose. Okay, and that's the realistic nose. So the manga, we've done cartoon. Okay, I'd suggest doing a sketchbook page of studies of noses like this.